Well, we are, I believe, ready to get botany started. We don't quite have the research for it, but we do have fertilizer now that we can make. Cellulose, algae, ammonia, nitric acid, and sludge should be doable. Actually, one thing while we're over by the wastewater treatment, let me check. What are we doing with this sludge? One-way valve, huh? Do I want a one-way valve? Why is there a one-way valve? Let's see. Okay, the sludge is not being pumped in. That's what I wanted to check. Sludge is not being pumped into the wastewater, which means we can pull it from this belt and not have too much issue, hopefully. That'll be the idea. At least we'll just take it. No, I said belt. Take it from the pipe, I should say. And see if that will work for us. All right, so fertilizer it was. We set up landfill last time. We're not going to use cellulose composting for that, I don't think. Although maybe that is going to be better than the landfill. Oh, hello. We set up, where'd the landfill we set up last time? Here it is. And that's full. Cool. All right, are all my bots coming to give me stuff? Sort of. But let's think about fertilizer 1. Actually, let's think about the science in general. We need to do botany research. Excellent. Now, how much of it do I want? Let's see what 30 per minute would... Oh, no, 30 per hour. Oops. As you can see, 30 per minute would be a lot of machines making science. Okay. Can they only be made in small assemblers? No, we can do medium assemblers like that. All right. So let's see. Grass Progenitor, that's what it is. And I can't make any of these things. When will I be able to... I think the second one must be far down the line, right? Probably. I don't think I'm going to immediately be able to make that that one. All right, and then it'll be just like the last time. So we will first make grass from the progenitor, and then we will be able to crush that grass into seed and get a better grass 2 recipe from it. So long term, we'll use these hydroplants, which we have hydroplant. No, we don't have hydroplant 3s now. I'll have to automate them. And if we slow down on this botany research, maybe I will have time to automate stuff in my mall before this researches. We'll find out. Okay, and then fertilizer, I guess, is what I wanted to check here. All right, so just one chem plant. And then let's double check the cellulose is going to be fine. Oops, I hit W there. Cellulose, yeah, okay. And algae should be fine as well. Okay, cool. We got plenty of algae and grass seed, so I won't touch cellulose and algae. That'll be just fine. And then ammonia, nitric acid, and sludge should be super trivial. Okay, so one chem plant of fertilizer should do the trick. Let's set that up in a most delightful place near the algae and cellulose, and then we'll route the fluid to it. Let's see. Algae and cellulose. How am I going to get this cellulose? I think I will change this here, like so. All right, cellulose now is coming down. I should have plenty of throughput here. The algae's backed up. Output of what is full? Is it oxygen? What is full? It is oxygen. Oh, I see. This is super full. We need way more than one chimney. Now, this is good because... Let's see it. A relief valve, huh? A relief valve, eh? Okay. Change this a little bit here. We'll put a... I guess we don't need a huge tank. Don't need a huge tank, so we'll just do that. And then we can do an adjustable relief valve like that. Was that not adjustable? That was not adjustable, was it? Okay, and bump it down to like 60. Yeah, we'll do 60 so that it'll only be these blue pipes that it's pulling out of, I think, would be the idea. If I have red pipes down further in my base, then the oxygen will get bottlenecked there at 60%. So, So then it won't get in here at a pressure that will allow it to be relieved here. Okay, cool. But these should now all be working except for the fluid ingredient shortage of air. Nope, it looks like everything's going to be fine. Oh, yeah, it is air. Okay. Well, that can be remedied easily enough. All right. I'll let my base bots do that last one, I guess. And then the fluid output again. Oh, no, the output of algae. Okay, perfect. Let's upgrade this because I'm going to have to pull it off the belt. And should I upgrade it one more time? Maybe, but I won't right now. Okay, cool. So now, let's see. If I do... What am I trying to do? Something like this. Well, something like that, except on the right freaking belt, of course. Come on. Come on. Hilarious. I know. Crack myself up sometimes. So we will be getting the cellulose here. I can downgrade these belts. Let's see. Oh, and I did not need to do the thing. Okay. All right. Man, so spazzy of me to connect that to the spore and then do all the things I needed to do to keep the spore from going down to the crushing things. Okay. Algae and cellulose on a belt right here. Turn it into, that's not it. Turn it into fertilizer in a chem plant, which are somewhere around here. All right, should I just cram it? Let's see. If I did that, I think I would be happy. Okay. Now nitric acid, ammonia, and sludge. And finished. Excellent. Now we have fertilizer and we can take it somewhere. What did I need it for again? Oh, it was for the grass. Okay, so I'll put it on a line with the landfill, I think. I'll take my landfill belt down next to the mineral dust, probably. Yep, that'll work. And then figure out a way to get it like here, and then we'll put those on a belt together. All right, and I don't need a lot of this stuff. The blue, oh yeah. I don't need my greens. There we go. That blue was just to get it over that bit. All right, and I guess I'll do the same thing I did here with my mineral dust, just in case I want to stretch that out or something like that. Alright, I hooked up the landfill to a belt. I'm going to only take out the landfill if it is more, or if it's let's see. Yeah, only take out the landfill if it's more than, say, 500, and that will allow me to tell my bots to always put down landfill, even if I run low. That was absolutely useless because we have so much landfill and we can make it so quickly that I will never run this dry. We are not going to be using a lot of landfill down here. Okay, and botany is 98%. Do I have things making? Yes, okay, so botany is almost done. Now let's see, the landfill is going to be on one side of the belt, right? It's going to be on the, coming down here, it'll be on the left side. Or I guess in the perspective of the landfill, it'll be on the right side. So I can put the fertilizer on the other side. Okay, and now we've got a combined belt of fertilizer and landfill, and botany is finished, and chemical engineering 3 is researched immediately. I had queued that up. I had about 98% when I ran out of science. And then I finally got science. All right, robot speed. Is that worth getting now? There was something I wanted this for. It was electrolysis. Yeah, let's get better electrolyzers. And then, sure, maybe I want this other biochemistry, but I think not. I think we can just go through a bunch of this stuff. Do I have a ton buffered? I have some buffered, yes. All right, green science is looking good. Physics science is looking good. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Maybe yellow science is what I need to deal with now. I can make these large assemblers with better productivity modules and upgrade. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a quick and dirty way to do it. Just upgrade to the better assembler and we'll get it twice as fast. Okay. So we are ready for this plant stuff now. But first we need to deal with the grass genome. Yes. We need to take it from the start. I need to not look at my factory planner. I need to simply take it from the start. We do need the yellow science, as well as nucleotides, bacteria, and algae genome. Algae genome is right here, which we're out of because of nucleotides. These are working, right? No, these are not working. Amino acids. That's what I have up here, and yes, I was kind of expecting to run low on this. Let's get rid of these beacons so that I can tile this like so. Is that how I wanted it tiled? I think so. Okay, and what is this going to... I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Undo. Okay, this is going to eat through my glycerol and ammonia, but I should have plenty of that now. So that's okay. And I'm not going to be able to put this... Oh, I am going to be able to put this here, huh? Here's where it gets a little tricky. Okay, and then the power wasn't connected because no one knows. No one knows. Okay, that should help, right? All this stuff is connected. It's all working, so that should help. Okay, that was probably overkill. Who knows? We're completely out of this science. Is it also because of the amino acids? Well, probably. It's because of nucleotides, which are probably because of amino acids, huh? All right. Get out of there, you. Get out of there, you. And those beacons are hitting the nucleotides. Oh, let's take my methane somewhere useful, and that will allow me to... Well, alright, what's going to happen here? Oops, I wanted to deconstruct that. The sacrifice the nucleotides demanded. Cut, please. Okay, and now... Yeah, we still got power everywhere. We're good. Hopefully. Fluids cut off. Oh, the methane. And these are full of bacteria, which is just delightful news. Cool. Okay. But I do need to connect my methane. I'm going to bring it back now to my base. And the methane is being pumped into this tank now as soon as my bots bring all of these ghost pipes here. And there we are. Back here. So, okay. The landfill, fertilizer, nucleotides. Right. That's what we were doing. Expanding nucleotides. And then we will just be able to grab some of the stuff we need right here. Let's see. Plant. Grass genome. That's what it's called. Grass genome. All right. Yellow science, please. Is this where I want it? What if I shift it down here and then a huge inserter right there, like so? Brother, nucleotides still haven't gotten here, huh? These are all working. Well, I certainly don't want... Bah, humbug. Humbug, I say. Darn it, I do not want this to work unless there's excess here. Okay, only enable it if it's greater than 1, please. Okay, so that'll suck the algae genomes into this one. and we'll be getting grass genomes. I keep calling it plant genomes, but it's grass genomes. All right. Okay, wastewater should be easy. Nucleotides should be relatively easy. I kind of put this in a bad place. This must have been coming down for something temporary I set up, huh? Must be. Okay. All right, I think we've got this as soon as we get nucleotides, actually, was the bottleneck here. These are working indeed. Fluid ingredient shortage of amino acids. These are working indeed, so we should be getting amino acids. And beacons, I suppose, would help, because these have a crafting speed of minus 25. So if I just put some beacons up here, that should do the trick, eh? Alrighty. I guess power them up. I guess we'll power them up. Okay. Almost. Grass genome is going to become grass progenitor with some sugar and cellulose. And I will need to automate this for the science, just like I did here. So it's going to be more messy nastiness here, isn't it? Let's see. And I definitely want the productivity modules. Okay. This is very gross. Let's see here. What if I think I like doing that sort of thing. Okay. And then the blue stuff. I actually could chirality that. Sort of. Okay. And then this blue bad boy can come here and we'll replace this. Like so. Now we've got the amino acids. We're pulling amino acids in a third way. Oh my gosh. Come on, nucleotides. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I'm really surprised those amino acids are struggling so hard. How did I survive with only like 4 of them? Or did I have 8? Probably had 8. Oh well. You know what they say. There's always a bottleneck. There's always a bottleneck. There's always a bottleneck. Alright. Protocells. How is my protocell situation? Oh wait, that was bacteria. Darn it. That's unsalvageable. Excuse me, I said protocells. I can take this straight down just like it is. There we go. Alright, like I said, how is my protocell situation? It's not full because of the amino acids, I'm guessing. Otherwise, it should be fine. Okay. And now we will put that in a chest. Oh, wow. We still don't have the nucleotides for this? What is going on? This is so slow. Alright. Is it time for small beacons? Is it just time for small beacons? Yeah, because I can't even hit. Alright, fine. I'll use small beacons. Oh, I can get all of these. Of course I can. Oh, hold on. I'm so stubborn. Why didn't I just do this earlier? Okay. That'll help. And it's the amino acids, isn't it? What am I doing? It's the amino acids. Come on. Alright. Help a brother out, beacons. Alright, man. And that takes a lot of nucleotides, huh? 12. Okay. So then we just need cellulose and sugar. Sugar's right here. And cellulose, we are demanding it elsewhere. And I will suppose I just demand it here as well. It's, let's see, 2 cellulose every 200 seconds. So, yep, not a big deal at all. Oh, and there was one other thing, what is that, fatty acid? fatty acid. And that can come right down here. And elbow in... Nope, can't elbow in there. But it can elbow in here. And a delightful mess. Oh, and we're crafting our first grass progenitor. Now, what are we going to do with that grass progenitor? We are going to make 2 grass from it. And then from that 2 grass... Oof. We'll need to do that 3 times. Okay. 3 times, eh? Alright, so that could take a while. And all this stuff is in... Oh, hydro plants, actually. Cool. Okay. Now, are these going to be the same? Yes. These are going to be similar. We just need to replace the grass progenitor with the grass seed line. So it's just like we did over here with the algae. Let's come down here, put a row of hydro plants. Making first grass 1, but it will soon be changed to grass 2. And I can kind of put them sort of here. Okay. Yield modules? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, and it's just air and fresh water this time. Fun. So then... Bada bada bing. Double up the air filters there. Bring down the air in line with... Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. We'll go like so. And then does that give me room for fresh waters here? How much fresh water do I actually need? But 1 well for every 3 hydro plants. So similar sort of balance to the air filters here, I think. And we have the ability to get better wells. So let's see, what's going to be... I guess I'll just do a row. And then we'll figure it out. We're doing it live. Yeah, I know this is weird, but it'll help me copy and paste. The price we pay. All right, cool. So all those are working, pumping in there. Now we just need the belt of landfill. We need the outputs here. So let's see here. I guess... Yeah, what am I doing here? We need 2 lines of inputs. So I think I'm going to run this more like so. With 1 belt there, 1 belt there. Okay, cool. And the landfill and fertilizer can come here, and then the grass seed will be on the inside there. Okay, and I did not pick up that progenitor. Of course not. Okay, and then the output will go there. And should I use substations or should I use power poles? Substations will cover the top and power poles will cover the bottom, I guess. All right. And of course, we don't need power poles everywhere, do we? Oops. Just probably those 2 places? If I did that and that, then it'll tile like so. Okay, cool. Yeah, we just want 1 for now. We just want 1 for now because the progenitor... Actually, no, we don't want 1 for now. As many progenitors as we have, that's how many we want for now. Well, let's go see how many progenitors we have. None. Fantastic. Fantastico. They're just so slow, huh? Crafting speed -5. Should I beacon it up real quick? I think I shall. Alright. 50% boost there. Yeah, sure. Sure. Okay, so this is slow then, and I think... Is there a reason to wait down here? Well, I guess I could craft the seed thing. Grass seed, it's just grass and water. Oh, and I need to do the outputs here, so yeah, cool. let's do something over here. And it needs to be Crusher 3, right? Yeah, it needs to be Crusher 3. Speaking of Crusher 3s, let's request them so that I don't have to wait for my bots every time. And it's going to take a while for my bots to get here. What if I put another relay down so I can... There you go. Now I can build over here. Alright. Well, this grass seed is easy, right? The algae one had 2 solid products. Oh no, we still have the cellulose. Ah, okay, so we're going to do the same thing with the cellulose. It'd be nice if I had kind of a central cellulose deal. And at this point, we definitely want cellulose composting, don't we? Yeah, we definitely need it. We're gonna get a lot of cellulose. We gotta quick come up with something to do with it. Grass seed, that's the one. That's the one. Okay. And I guess I can make it look a little nice and neat, like so. And this was fresh water. So how about we flip this around so that fresh water is on top and sludge is on bottom, just like it is over here. Now it's not going to line up perfectly, is it? No, it's not. But I can make it line up pretty perfectly. And then input, output. And then we'll figure out cellulose over here. Maybe I'll take all the cellulose and bring it here and then output it where it needs to go. Something like that. Something like that. How much of this did I need? Just a little bit, right? Yeah. Just a few for every hydro plant making grass. Okay. I forgot lights. What if I did this? Overkill. That's what I like to see. And let's go grab Progenitor, which I'm sure I have now. 2 of them, baby. Let's go. These are both crafting now. We need 1 more in order to get a single craft, and I don't want it to be split up between them, so I will cram it all in here. Okay. And now we need to split out the cellulose, like I said. I'm guessing it's going to be a similar situation like the seed, where we want super beefy stuff. Super beefy belts and splitters. So like I could do this a few times. Okay. And now bada boom, bada boom. So that's 20 grass seed, 20 cellulose. Yeah, that is a lot. Awesome. And grass seed, there are some researches here. Let's see. For harvesting, yes, that's not what I was looking for though. Is it over sugar? Yeah, grass seed milling gives me cellulose and sugar, baby. Let's go. And then we can get sugar from cellulose, as well as basically just brine, right? You get hydrochloric acid and caustic solution both from brine. So this is the business. We are going to not need all this stupid sugar anymore. Look at all that whole line. Sucking up my glycerol. How much glycerol do I have, by the way? It's running low, but it's okay. Okay, do I not have green splitters? I do have green splitters. We're fine. And apparently... Oh, gosh. How do I... Like that. Okay. It's the brown. It's the brown. All right, cool. So now grass seed. Is that just slow? Where'd it go? Oh, yeah, right. I have 4 of them. Did I have another one yet? Nope. How much more time? Pretty quick. So that means I got to get this cellulose business cracking. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm going to do here with the cellulose. A big warehouse is what I'll do. Let's see. Like so. And then... like so. Cellulose. All right, cellulose. You know, maybe I don't need to dispose algae spore at all, because I have a better way of disposing it soon. This here. Oh no, that gives me algae spore. Was this the one that... No. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I want to do here now. It's getting very complicated, isn't it? I suppose we'll just, for now, just take it in like this. And this was my cellulose, okay. Oh, wait. I wanted this going the opposite. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah, we gotta rethink. We gotta rethink everything. Because this I now want to come from the warehouse, and then I want this to come down. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here we go. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Wanted the... Okay, cellulose is coming up where it needs to go, and this cellulose is coming down where it needs to go. Pretty messy here, but let's see. Let's see. I guess I do want this cooking like so, and then this can come down to here. Oh boy. Okay. Wow, it's beautiful. That's beautiful, isn't it? That should be plenty, and then I can output like so. Okay, and yeah, I don't really know what that's going to do. That should work. That should work. And yeah, all this spore's being made now. Okay. Yeah, I think this is how I want it. Let's bump these belts up, please. Should maybe help. I'm not really sure. And then we need the progenitor. Okay, and once we get the progenitor, we'll be in business. All right. Where was it? Here was. Okay. And then I'll be able to add the seed right here. And then we'll change that recipe over to the good stuff. And do I have everything I need? Not 100% sure. Seems like I do. Have everything I need. The outputs are not hooked up. Of course they're not hooked up. We're going to have a lot more oxygen. Was that in line? No, it wasn't in line, but it was pretty good, gotta say. Not too shabby. Okay, oxygen's hooked up here, the output of oxygen, and I should pump it, right? I should definitely pump it out. Just hook that up, just like so. A small pump would have been just fine, wouldn't it? Okay, and then the sludge, which should be fairly straightforward. We've got it hooked up here, and then the input is right over here. So, let's see. I'll make this go a little bit to the right, and then we can come down with it like so. All right. Cool. Okay, so now the output sludge is going where it needs to go. Oh, fluid ingredient shortage. And this was fresh, just regular old water. So not fresh water. But, wait, do I not have regular old water coming in here? Ah, shoot. No, I don't have regular water coming in here, huh? And what's that supposed to be, sludge? Wastewater? Oh, it's methane. Good, good. We're pumping out the methane. Okay, sorry. I just did that. Darn it, where's water? Alright, it's in the south part of my mall. It's also... where was it? Where was it? Here it is. But I think this might be an output? No, it's an input. So, which way's quicker? Probably... Is it gonna trick me if I use this water? I think it might trick me. This is definitely an output. I know that much. I think it's the same exact line, though. Or this is an input. What do I call it? Oh, I don't know. I'll take it from down. It looks closer. What the... Oh my gosh. Okay, where was it? Here it was. I don't know how much throughput water do I need for this. I should have checked. Should I go... Which side of the lake should I go on? We'll go up... Wait, what was it? It was the crushing? No, it was the... Wait, what needed water? I'm so confused now. This stuff needed water? No. This needed water? Ah, it was that one that needed water. Okay. And it tricked me because I thought it was fresh water when I put it down there. All right, cool. So we'll go just like so. All right. Hopefully that's plenty of water for the seeds. And we've got seeds now. Excellent. Oh, wait. Do I need more? Hang on. Sorry. Seeds. We needed 15 seeds. 20 seeds. Phew. All right. But I did want to cut it right here. So all of the seeds go into this one. All right, baby. Let's go. Now that should be fine. Now I can hook it back up and we'll be getting more. Actually, not sure. Certainly don't want to run out. And that gives me 8 grass. All right. So this will be a feedback loop. What am I going to do now? This will be a feedback loop. I'm not 100% sure how good of a feedback loop it'll be. I think it's a really good feedback loop. Because 15 grass seed turns into 8 grass. And then 5 grass turns into 20 grass seed. So yeah, that looks pretty good to me. All right, let's go up to the mall while this is filling up, I think. And just set up a few things before it's time to put this together. Because, yeah, we'll want our grass. Excellent. Oh, wait, that wasn't it. I was expecting that to be grass, but obviously it wasn't going to be grass. Okay, yeah, we want to fill up cellulose. We want to fill up grass. And grass progenitors. So no need to set that science up yet. Let's come here. I have a whole list of things I can do now. Can't do electrolyzers though. Okay, I will let's see what I have and get back with you. Well, alrighty then. Here's the list of things I would love to do at the end of this episode. Here's my dream chores for next time, and then these are the things that are not researched yet. I think heat exchanger 2s and compressor 3s are researched. I just don't really care about them. The electrolyzer and advanced fluid handling are not researched. Okay. So let's start off with wind turbine 3s, and they do require... I didn't write it down because it's just a requirement of wind turbine 3s. Open turbine 3s. And open turbine 3s, we also have closed turbine 3s as well. So I'll set all 3 of those up at once. Let's see, bearings, titanium sheets, and then carbon composite reinforced concrete. So that's the new stuff. We got titanium sheets here. So maybe I'll put it close by... Here we also have titanium sheets up here, and carbon composite and reinforced concrete right like so. Okay, let's take reinforced concrete this way, and I think we can take these 2 belts like so. Actually, carbon composite and reinforced concrete, that's the priority for windmills. So I'll set windmills up here, and then the open turbines are probably going to be down below, and I think I might be able to get the titanium sheets from down here. Yeah. That makes sense, right? Am I going crazy? I mean, y'all don't understand what I'm saying, but I talk too fast. I know. Think I care? Keep up, guys. Keep up. Okay. What do we got here? What do we got here? And we are missing open turbine 3s, and then I'll summon the other things. Okay. Now for this, we do need bearings. Should I scooch bearings on over from here? Yeah, for sure I should. For sure. That's the line I want. Just like so. And I alt moded it. What do I have that I need to get rid of? I picked up a bunch of stuff. Oh, I didn't want heat pipes. Well, maybe I did want heat pipes. Nah, didn't want heat pipes. Okay. So the bearings are nice and slow when it's at such a slow speed here. But we got them coming right this way. I will do that number there. And we've got bearings, and we need the titanium sheets. Easy as pie. And all the other stuff I will summon, right? I think I will summon. Okay, everything should be good there. Let's see. Do I want to put it in a box over here and then pull it from the box into the windmills? I think so. Do declare. And definitely want to block that off. We also need a box for the windmills. And was there something else I needed? No, because I got the demand chest for the windmills. Okay, so it's just the open turbine 2s, and then we'll also, I suppose, put it in the closed ones, but I don't think I need the closed ones yet. How's about I just... here's what I can do. Red wire there, and only to take it out if the open turbines are greater than, say, 10. Okay, and then we'll be turning those into the closed turbines as needed. All right, and then everything else should be demanded for the closed turbines. Okay. Oh, I guess actually I could have just demanded it, and then they'll only pull it out of the chest if there are actually some in there. Otherwise, it'll, the inserter will be faster than my bots. So maybe I'll just do that. Make it easy. Okay. And then we'll do that. Pack it in a little tighter. Or like that. Give my bots something to do here. Okay. Enough windmill 3s because we've got them now. As soon as this stuff comes, and it is indeed coming, right? Yep. It's just at quarter speed, so it's slow. All right. Now we can do fun things like upgrade planner. From windmill 1s to windmill 3. Oh, wait, that wasn't it. There are 2 windmill 3s, huh? I don't know which one is which. No, I don't. Well, hopefully when I upgrade things, it'll be just fine. Let's upgrade stuff close to my mall first. Like 34 of them. Should do the trick. We don't have them, I know. But hopefully I'll be able to see them work soon. Yep, those are working. Okay. Let's go do the other things on our list while we wait. Let's see, we got wind turbine 3s. Okay, and that was, I think, the hard one. Everything else I don't need any more intermediates than I have, except for maybe some little stuff like boxing various things. Okay, the next one was flotation cell. Yeah, see, this one's crusher 2, hydroplant 2, flotation cell 2. I'm going to demand it, and I'll cram it in wherever is convenient, like here's pretty fun. Excellent. We got an output, we got an input, we got input, output. And those things are going there, and we'll block that off. Did I block off everything? Well, I better go walk up and check, huh? Blocked off the closed turbines, blocked off the open turbines, did not block off the windmills, and I think I want to... I actually don't want a big buffer of this. Because we're just going to put it down, right? And then my bots will do it. I'm never going to need to, get a whole stack of those by hand. Now, there was something I did want to do here. These are windmill 2s, right? Ah, yes. Okay. I'm going to change this to a storage chest here. And then only insert these if there are fewer than, say, 10 in there. Okay, this is the only logistics chest with a wind turbine 2 filter. So the bots will prefer to bring the wind turbine 2s here once they upgrade them and have more of them. So hopefully we will not be making more of these wind turbines. I will cram that in the output so that it stops it from crafting. Although, yeah, whatever. Whatever. Okay, what's next? We got flotation cell 3s already, don't we? Yep, we got flotation cell 3s already. Okay, excellent. Very exciting. Next thing on the list is air filter 3s. Let's get it done. Oh, this one's a little tough. Filter 2s and walls. I think I'm going to bot my filter 2s. Does that make sense? Because we need filter 2s for a bunch of stuff. Filter 2s. How about I box them? Yeah, here's what we do. We finally use just the way it's intended. We use boxers here. And yeah. We'll go through a whole bunch of them, won't we? Okay, so now we have boxed filters as well. We don't need a big buffer. And I can do that for super speediness. Oh wait, we have better inserters, of course. Okay, just for fun. All right, and now we can request the boxed stuff and then just unbox it to make things like air filters next to the walls. That's why I wanted to do that, because if I put it next to the walls, which, wow, we're pretty crammed in here, aren't we? Could also request boxed walls as well. But I think I'll just do a... It looks like I can fit a medium assembler in here. Oh, and we need more medium assemblers, which I'm right by the medium assemblers. That's nice. Okay. Air filter 3s. And that was not... let's see. We needed it from this thing, right? The unboxer. Yeah. Oh, did I put... I didn't put productivity modules in there. Okay, I think I did it everywhere else. Oh, right. And, sorry. Filter 2s now. We wanted to demand filter 2 boxes. If I demand the filter 2 boxes. Oh, right. They're in the box. I always forget where the box stuff is. Come on. Okay. And then insert it. Let's see. I'm trying to make it so my inserters don't have to work quite so fast, but that's pretty silly, huh, isn't it? Okay, and then the rest of the stuff here. So not the filter 2s, not the walls, everything else. Was it just 6 of them? Yeah, it was just 6 of them. And I should have all of that stuff pretty easily accessible for my bots. Well, alrighty then. Output here into a chest. Air filter 3s, check. Hydroplant 3s. Are these easy or are these hard? These are a little tricky. Filter 2 boxes and sensor 2 boxes. If I put them by the pump 3s... Nah, let's just stick everything sort of all together and I can just continue to cram it. So this will be another one where we bot everything. Oh, I didn't select a recipe for that. And that was... Oh, right. So we had some stuff here, and then we needed boxed stuff. So how about I just... Let's see. How do I get the boxed stuff in here? Select it manually, of course. Oh, what are the odds that I found the sensor 2s when I needed to? Amazing. Okay, apparently I do have sensor 2s in a box. No, I don't. Okay, and everything's coming. We had 5... regular things and 2 box things. Okay, and I definitely need to block that. All right, let's go put the sensor 2s in a boxer right here. Why not? Why not? This was a boxer, right? Yes, it was. And okay. And that's going to be a big buffer like it always is. Am I okay with that? I think I'm okay with that. Is that for me? That wasn't for me. Maybe it was for me. Something was for me. It brought me something. Okay. As soon as we get those sensor 2s in there, we'll be good. Did I pick up a sensor 2? I did pick up sensor 2s. Okay. And I still want some of those things, don't I? All right. Cool. Hydro plants. Excellent. Check that off the list. Distillery 3s. Whew. We're doing good. We're doing good. All right. More filter 2s. Let's see here. We're just summoning all this stuff, aren't we? Oh, barrel pump 1s. We got to barrel pump 1s up. And that'll stop this annoying blinking light here. Okay. Wow, where am I going to put this? By the pipes, I guess. Pipes and maybe iron sheets? Let's find out here. Pipes and... pumps? Pipes and pumps? Sorry, where was it? Wait, where'd those pumps go? They just dead end, don't they? Oh yeah, they just dead end here. So... I can make it happen here. Making it happen. That's going to be super fast. Maybe I go easy on the large thing there. Blast. Ooh, that's a better place for it. Okay. So we're getting pipes now. Ooh, these pipes are slow. We need better foundries for the pipes, maybe. All right, and then it was pumps that I needed, and then we'll demand everything else. So not the pipes and not the pumps, and holy crap, that's a lot of stuff. Probably need iron sheets in storage. No, I do have iron sheets in storage. Okay. All right, I'm going to bump this down. It's just so ridiculous to buffer all that stuff. These barrel pumps are not going to work very frequently at all because I never use them. And apparently they're only going to be used in what? Distillery 3s? That's what I'm doing now? Yeah, distillery 3s. Interesting that the distillery 3s don't use barrel pump 2s. That would make more sense to me. I guess I should set up barrel pump 2s. That would make sense. Well, I guess where should I put it? Right here is just fine. I could put by small pump 2s as well. Wait, small pump 2s are the good ones. Oh, okay. Maybe I unlocked the barrel pump 2s before or after I unlocked the distillery 3s. Maybe that's why. Right, because these are the small pump 2s, yeah. Okay. So we'll do that. There it is. And... take it like so. Demand everything else. You know how we do, except not the small pump 2s. And should we buffer all that stuff up? Oh, we don't have refuelers. Okay, that's pretty easy. I'll just stick it by rubber somewhere. Oh my gosh, we're going everywhere. Never mind, I did have refuelers down here. I just need to stick it in a chest. And... output. Inserter 3's in the way. I said, and output. Alright, and those are going to work just fine. Especially if I do that. Okay. Okay, that'll be fine. Alright, and let's see, can I see the windmill 3s? Ah, look at those big, chunky, bad boys. Look at that. So much bigger. It's going to block my whole base. I should get rid of the windmills in my base. Kind of annoying. Alrighty. I think that's the barrel pumps. 2s, which I didn't even need. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Distilleries. Where are distilleries going? Shove them here. Shove them here. Shove them here. Man, there's nowhere to shove them. I shove them here. Let's shove them here. Distillery 3s, yeah. Okay, we do need filter 2s unboxed, which can I just copy from whatever I did over here? Kind of. Oh, yeah. Shift. Duh. Alright, wow, okay, this was stupid. Alright, and those were filter 2s. Okay, so we got filter 2s. Now we don't need the filter 2s, but we do need something else in here. What was it? The hydroplant 2s. Okay, like 5 of them, I forget. Probably 4 of them. How many? Yeah, that should work. That should work. I guess those are thermal tank 2s. Oh no, those are thermal tank 1s. Okay, so that wouldn't have helped because we need thermal tank 2s. Alright. Everything should slowly but surely get over there. And we just need that, and we just need that. Alright, distillery 3s. Phew. That is what I wanted, right? Was that the second distillery 3s I did? No, I think that was the only distillery 3 I did. Alright. Finally, almost finally, Chemplant 3s. Hard glass boxes, huh? Interesting. Hard glass boxes. I suppose... Do I not have hard glass coming down? I ended it up here somewhere. Here it is. Okay. Ah, it's over this way. Well, how's about I snake this belt... And then just do something right over here. Let's see. Hold on. Filter, 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 filter. And I'm going to take it off like this. Hard glass. Is it metallurgy? It's metallurgy. Into a boxer. I'm getting pretty fast at this. Oh wait, this was graphene. Darn it. My disappointment is immeasurable. Alright, that's graphene. Sorry. Where's hard glass? Hard glass is not over here. Okay, then let's... I mean, I guess I'll leave that belt there. Why not? Let's go over to hard glass. I think hard glass is right here. Yes. Okay. So I'll box it like so. I could even use a couple of these, but that's going to be plenty. Okay. Now, do I want bots, or should I put my chem plants over here? No, I want bots. I don't want to put my chem plants over there. That's not what I want. Okay. Filter 2s. I should have belted filter 2s. Oh, well. And I can shove chem plants here. Wait. Oh, that was a bad one. Give me the good one. Alright, so we'll summon hard glass boxes and filter... let's see. Yeah, summon all that stuff, and then an extra one for the filter 2s, which I can copy and paste so I don't have to search through that whole list of things. Okay. Oh, and then unbox it. What's happening here? That should have been a red belt, I think. And the output. Okay. And did I block off all the chests? Probably not. Probably I did not. They're bringing the filter 2 boxes, which I don't have. Oh, I don't have filter 2 boxes, huh? Alright, what's wrong with filter 2s? They're just slow, probably. Because I'm summoning so many of them all at once. They ran out of all those buffers, huh? Very sad. Very sad. Wait a second. What is... Oh, those are demanding filter ones. I see. And then they're outputting it here. Okay, and those are just slow. Can I... Yeah, I can. I can make that go faster. I very cleverly chose to have the ability to make it go faster. But then I very cleverly chose to do this. Alright, pick up here, drop it there, and then upgrade that to the good inserters, and that should do the trick. Okay. I guess that'll help. Oh, demand. Alright, there we go. And that demanded the right thing, yes? Okay. Okay, so that doubled my filter 2s. Now we have a whole bunch of stuff, and we have just a few minutes left, and I think we are ready to set up Botany Science. Should I go down and see, or should I double check that everything is blocked off as it should be? We'll just go down and see. see what's happening. I'm sure that I messed something up such that I'm not going to get botany science up, and I will be so sad. So sad. But anyway, let's just trust that it's working. Medium assembler 3s, huh? Oh boy. And we'll pull it from this. And then I need a belt, combined belt of cellulose and what was it? Let's see. Cellulose box and grass. That is a lot of cellulose boxes. Wow. Okay. And then we'll combine. Oh no, I can't combine because I have 3 sciences now. Okay. So then these need to go like so. So that my botany science and something else can go like so. Alright, botany science. We just need to put grass and cellulose. Moment of truth. Do I have a bunch of grass? Not as much as I should. That's okay. That's okay. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Alright, and I'll do the same thing I did here where I will output priority into the seeds, but then I'll just take it up like so. Is that enough to copy and paste this twice? It is not. Now it is. Okay, cool. So, and then we just need the output of cellulose here. Let's go crazy with this belt. I guess crazy is, for me, crazy is blue belt, huh? Oh, because we need to box it, that's why. And it'll be better if I just box it like this, I think. And these are the ones that needed to go boosted. Okay, because then I have the boxers. Okay, now I have box cellulose, and we'll combine it on a belt like that. Alrighty. Did I get some grass on this? I did get some grass on there, but now the grass is all going into the seeds, and these will be working, and everything is happy. It'll just take a little bit for us to get the grass we need, unfortunately. But it's not so bad. Wow. Alright, so these need to be a lot better. Amazing. And this belt needs to be better. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. No, that was fine. The inserters here are good. We got enough water. We got enough fresh water. Yes, fresh water. Output's full. Output full here. This pump is going crazy, which is good. That pipe has a lot of it, so the flow looks good. Okay. How much grass does this give me? 2 per second, and then we'll consume more than that. So we'll have, yes, all the grass seed will fill up this belt, and that will stop the cellulose from getting here. So once we get grass seed milling or whatever, we'll be able to dispose the grass so that we can get more cellulose if we need to. But luckily we got the algae making cellulose for us, which is fine. And yeah, we're disposing the grass seed, the algae spore now until we totally back up the cellulose, which I probably want to change. I'll probably change this here to reading this here. Yeah. So that I'll only dispose it if this is slightly full, right? If I desperately need cellulose, then I'll dispose the algae seed. Okay. So now this is backed up. We need to expand this, I think, if we wanted to get more of it, which I can do now, not by expanding it like that, but by, let's see, by upgrading like that. What do you know? Do we have hydroplant 3s? We do not have enough hydroplant 3s. Let's come up and check. Oh, we do have enough hydroplant 3s. It just takes a while for it to read it. And we're almost have enough windmills for what I've been doing. I wonder how our power's been. Let's see here. Alright. The wind turbine 3s are not enough to make a dent here. That's fine. Alright. Our power is off because of the substation business. And everything's good. Okay. These are not here yet, but all of these other ones are working. Okay. Phew. Any grass coming yet? Not quite. I guess I can send some this way, because I really want to get that science going. All right, we're 2 minutes in. I guess we will be getting this next episode. Pretty sure this is working. The grass genome, the algae genome, the bacteria genome, the nucleotides. The amino acids? Still amino acids, huh? Even after this. Insane amounts of amino acids. So let's see. Are we going to get better amino acids, or should I go crazy with the where are those bad boys? Oh, they're at the very top. Nice. Let's see here. Ammonia, glycerol, oxygen. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. So when we get biters, we'll be able to get amino acids, but that's a host of like byproducts. Fish can give us amino acids. Worms can give us amino acids. Nucleotides can give us amino acids. I don't think that's helpful. Maybe it is, actually. Is that a positive feedback loop? There's a chance that's a positive feedback loop. But in any case, biochemistry 9, that's a lot of researches away. So we are not getting any better amino acid recipes anytime soon. Let's go crazy with this. We are getting a better sugar recipe, and it doesn't even look like we need better sugar recipe. So, something like that looks pretty good to me. And then we'll just double check that everything's hooked up. It looks like everything's going to be hooked up. Okay. All right. That should help, hopefully. Just need to copy some of these for extra help. And then what do I need to do? Small beacons, maybe? And that'll reach the sugar, too. All right, guys. All right. These are all working. I'm assuming now our glycerol is going to die, right? I'm assuming, although we have a whole bunch of sodium hydroxide, so no, I think we'll be okay. We can double this now, in fact. And hold on. Yeah, carefully double it. I think that is going to be okay. And I should, I think, boost this to a blue belt. It shouldn't be a big deal because we have this business right in here. Okay. And I actually might want to prioritize the boxed so that I can get caustic solution. It looks like our caustic solution's fine. We're not venting it, so that's good. We're only going to vent it if this box gets full. Okay. Okay, cool. And we got chlorine. I'm kind of interested, actually, that we're low in chlorine because of this stuff here. Okay, I think we're okay. I think the blue belt actually will help us. The glycerol will help us clear out. Because, okay, let me think. It's the chlorine and the sodium hydroxide. Those are the two outputs that we need to balance. So when sodium hydroxide is low, we need more chlorine. When chlorine is low, we need more sodium, or we need to get rid of sodium hydroxide, excuse me. When chlorine is low, we need to get rid of sodium hydroxide. When sodium hydroxide is low, we need to get rid of chlorine. Right now, chlorine is low, sodium hydroxide is not. So we need to get rid of sodium hydroxide. Turning it into glycerol is fine. Turning it into caustic solution and voiding it would be fine as well. However, I think I'm seeing the issue here. We need to prioritize the box sodium hydroxide. Yes. We want this to back up so that we can turn it into caustic solution and then void it. Okay, that'll be the last thing I do, and then we'll end the episode prioritizing this one here. And yeah, that's because this stuff, where is it? This new stuff, we are not turning it into, we're not turning any of this into caustic solution. So all of this we would want to go into caustic solution. And we're not going to do that if this doesn't work, and that doesn't work at all. Nope. Okay, I think I fixed that. That was the box. Oh, what was it? I know I have it. It's in here somewhere. There it is. Okay. And let's double-side it, or should I just do this with better inserters? Yep, there we go. Cool. Okay, so now this caustic solution, or this sodium hydroxide will fill up, and then we will turn it into caustic solution and vent the caustic solution if we need to. Looks like we don't need to, though. What's going to happen here? Not 100% sure what's going on. Not 100% sure. I think I was noticing these belts could turn red, though. Okay. Anyways, I think we're good. That's got to end the episode. We've got botany. That episode turned out to be longer than an hour because I spent so much of it on the quarter time and then made you guys suffer through it when I was working in my mall. But wow, what an episode. We've got grass. Oh, I need to go down there. Oh, sorry. And the reason I needed to go down there was because I definitely want to up a priority. It's really not an issue right now, but it could be. And that would make me very sad. Okay, cool. We will need to get rid of this grass seed so that we get plenty of cellulose, I think. And then we'll stop doing this. Let's just fix this right now. So I will read that wire. If I could, I would. All right. Let's see. Let's stop that. And only, what's it called? Dispose of it if the cellulose is above something. And I misspoke. Only dispose of the spore if the cellulose runs low. So 1,000 should be just a little bit, maybe 10,000. That way we have, or 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. One line of here. If we get desperately low of this, then we want the algae spore to run. Otherwise, we are good with this whole system backing up and not consuming whatever it is we need. I mean, it's pretty much free, isn't it? Pretty much free. But mineral dust, I guess, is what we would be saving on. Yeah, and power, obviously. But anyways, we're done. End it here. Cool. Everything's good. Botany Science. Oh, we got to go check out and see if Botany Science has been working. Let's see. We've finished 8 of them. Wow. All right. And it's the genomes and the progenitors that are slow because of nucleotides. Oh my gosh. Even after all these beacons and all this amino acid and all this expansion, we are still low. Okay. Well, I mean, this is going to be a huge buffer that gets backed up, but we've gotten the Botany Science in here, which means at some point I can research this stuff. Well, apparently not yet. All right, lithium. All right, batteries. All right, green science. That's got to be our priority, I guess. Well, we'll, hang on. Stop doing bots. Did I need electrolyzers? Well, I would like electrolyzers. But let's do a priority. Let's make this our priority here. And then take a breather here, and then do the green science upgrade, and then do that. So yeah, that should help me make a buffer of science so that I can then quickly get through my green science. Because as of now, I don't think I have a crazy amount of labs. Way more than I have storage for this stuff. All right, item ingredient shortage of... ammonia barrels because our ammonia's low? Because the barrel's low? Oh my gosh. Because top-up valves. Okay. Or one-way valves, excuse me. And one-way valves are just slow. Okay, it might be time to get better one-way valve recipe we've had since like the very beginning. Oh, this episode's too long. Sorry, guys. But I'm happy with what we've done, and next time we'll have a good time doing something. I'll figure it out next time, though. I have no idea what we're going to do. Probably... Nope. I have no idea. Probably just revamp our base. I don't know. Put concrete everywhere? I don't know. Wait for science to get where we need to go. Anyways, I'm sure it'll be fun. Till next time, y'all take care.